Bienvenuto, everybody. Jeff Mauro here, and I'm here to show you how to make a quintessential club sandwich. No frills, no fuss, but perfect every bite. The only thing you need to know about a club sandwich is that it all starts and ends with the white bread. Don't toast it. Don't throw it in the broiler. Don't even butter and griddle it. You want this sweet, soft, pillowy white bread to remain intact. This is the vehicle for all those other flavors and textures. Now, if you don't know how to properly crisp up bacon, especially for a sandwich, I implore you to go check out one of my previous posts on the Mauro method of bacon cookery. Look at that rigidity. Bacon, lettuce, tomato, and what makes it a club is the turkey. Something nice and thin. Again, almost translucent where you can see your finger go through it. Then you have your tomatoes. These are vine-ripened tomatoes, hothouse tomatoes. You can use Roma tomatoes, as long as it's the reddest tomatoes in the joint. I like them fairly thin. Nice 1/4-inch slices. Next comes the L. Nothing replaces iceberg lettuce on a club sandwich, a BLT, anything. It's got the crunch, it's got the sweetness, and it's got that hydration. So what I like to do is take this, all right, this little stem end, give it a little whack. Now you can pull this little stem cleanly out like that. We don't need it. So I'm gonna cut it in half, which makes it easier for us to start shaving the iceberg using that knife. And what we want, these are these beautiful little tendrils of beautiful iceberg lettuce. So we have the mayonnaise here, which is not fancy, only on the top. And as I always say, crust to crust is a must from border to border. I'm using smoked turkey here, my favorite. We're gonna ribbon it up, create height, create some drama. I like to do like 2 to 3 slices of tomato depending on the thickness. I'm gonna take a little kosher salt and I'm gonna hit those maters directly. Lettuce comes next. Where does the lettuce go, jeffmauro.com? I'm gonna tell you, right onto the mayonnaise. That's the glue, okay? Now comes the bacon. Right on the maters. And I'm gonna take it another notch and I'm gonna split the top bacon and I'm gonna cross hatch it just like that. We're matched up, we're lined up. Let's close the roof. Luckily we have this spackle here, this natural glue of the mayonnaise, but I am gonna cut it in half on a direct bias, 45-degree angle. You can hear the crunch of the knife all the way through. And then you open up that cross section and that is a perfect ratio. This is everything coming together harmoniously into one. One of the top 3 sandwiches of all time for a reason. Simply done, perfect ratios. Club sandwich, Jeff Mauro. God bless you.